I'm feeling a few raindrops, so we're definitely not going to go that far today, but that's okay. Because once we would get out there, we'd also have to run up and down the beach for a while with Bambi. I just can't do all that right now. But this so reminds me of Sonoma County, and my mom like taking us out to the bluffs around Sonoma County. Just this natural environment with these hardy beach plants, you know. It's so hard for them to get started. They're so salt resistant. They're so cool. I just love this hardy environment. And I'm glad there's not stickers on your feet, babes. What's this yellow guy? Look at how little that is. Oh, man, so cool. Look at all the detail. You know, you have these little... What is that? It's some kind of moss, but it's yellow. And then you got that little guy. Oh, man. And, oh, I love these so much. It's so pretty. And these guys, San Verbena, I think. Flowers aren't here right now, but we have yellow lupin. Some kind of yellow lupin. Oh, here's a flower. There we are. So beautiful. There's flowers. There's flowers everywhere. They're just subtle, you know. What's this one? It's like this fiery mound. Yeah, you gotta stay up here, babes. What's this? What's this? Oh, that's that same fiery mound stuff, but it's black. It's all burnt out. Look at the edges of this leaf right here. They're perfectly outlined. Bambi's trying to get away. Oh. We'll go this way just a little bit. Oh my God. Wait up. Oh, look at that one. Oh, it's so soft. All right, we'll go over here. Hello. Oh man, these trails are so cool. Bambi! Bambi! Wow. These are really low-lying, thick. This is so cool. This is so cool. Oh, man. There are literally dozens of trails I've never taken in my one little 6-mile radius area that I hang out in. Oh, this is one of them. Hi, puppy. Good flower. Ooh, look at these. Their mechanism is dangling. So cool. That's really cool. All right, let's take this path, boo-boo. At least I can see where we're going now. Whoa. This is this whole habitat in there. There's all these ferns. There's this whole valley thing in there. It's just deep and a lot of plants and just a lot of cover. I bet there's hundreds of birds in there. It's so cool. Wow. Wait. Oh, we gotta look. Wait, baby. Oh, here's some more flowers. Okay, shh, wait. Whoa, that is really deep. It's hard to see, but there's big trees going all the way down. Like really far down there. Wow. Wild strawberry. Or is it a different kind of berry? There's different berries out here. Thanks for joining us for this nature walk, these beautiful dunes here in Humboldt County in Samoa. The mountains are over there. It's just beautiful. It's not cold. Well, I'm not cold because I've been running around, but a little bit windy. But anyway, I can see the rain is starting, so we're going to head back now. Right, Bambi? Thanks for joining us. We'll see you later. Bye.